say shooting star.
Shooting star, but then it stopped, huh? Yeah, let me zoom in, man. It's like an orb, man. Look at that shit. It's pulsating. Oh, this is awesome. And he's not on TCAS, man.
Huh.
Well, I can tell Rita now.
That's interesting.
That is, dude. That is shit hot. Platillos, platillos. He's a pulsating orb. Look at that, dude. Look at that. Turn on the tail light. Oh, it is on. Okay, cool. Never mind. Oh man, look at that thing, dude. Flip the TCAS switch up and see if you see anything on the display on the ND. Anything? Any TCAS returns?
No.
Okay, flip the switch down. He's definitely above our altitude. Yeah, that man. This guy is not reporting TCAS. That is a unidentified flying object, bro. I can finally say I saw one now. That is cool. And it's pulsating too, man. That is nuts. Oh, I wish you would get closer. I can't believe you saw it. What's on the map below us? What city? Is it Monterrey?
We're over
So the nearest, because they tend to congregate around Monterrey. They'll get a lot of. Yeah, we're close. How close to Monterrey? We're about 150 miles from Monterrey. Oh man, that is phenomenal, dude! I'm so glad you saw that, and you saw it drop out of the sky and just stop.
I thought it was a shooting star. Then it just stopped.
This is awesome, man. Oh, this is fucking cool. I had to call my brother-in-law. He lives in Puebla.
I mean, there's nothing flashing that I can see on it when you put
No,
the video.
but
It's like,
look how it pulses, though.
I know.
Here, let me zoom in. Jeez, man, that is freaky, man.
Crazy. Do you think it's a weather balloon? Because a thunderstorm?
No, not with lights like that.
Because it doesn't fall like that either.
No, the only weather balloon we have is near Harlingen. It's 15,000 feet AGL. This thing's above our altitude. I just can't tell. That's why I asked you to hit the TCAS, just in case it was an airplane. Dude, it's pulsing, man. Look at that.
Sí, todas las decisiones están autorizadas cuando posible prosiga directo curso para interceptar llegar a Rectus 1 Alfa a la 2 a la 11. ¿Será cuando qué posición te dijo?
Platillos.
I don't see anything on TCAS at all.
Yeah, man. And there's no strobe. I don't see a. And the fact that it dropped out of the sky like that and then stopped and hovered. He's probably just checking us out. I was going to turn on the light over there, but looks like he's turning away from us. That is phenomenal, man. Look at that. Yeah, they're all over Mexico, dude.
I wonder what you can do with that video. Like, if you can.
It's
I was like, shit, it just disappeared.
Where'd he go? Is he there? All right. Oh, it's the clouds.
It's in the clouds, yeah.
He's almost like he's over the weather or something.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, yeah, we're going to lose him in the clouds. Son of a bitch. Well, there it is. Right there, man, on my ND. There's our airplane. And there's no TCAS. There's weather about 40 miles off our left wingtip where this thing seems to have disappeared.
Yeah, I went both directions.
Yeah, there's no TCAS returns, man. It's not an airplane. It didn't have strobes or beacon or nothing. It's my first time. I'm so excited. I can say, yeah, I've seen a UFO. I got a video.
I'm always happy.
Woo! I'll do a 30-second one, all right?
Yeah,
It's turning colors now. Are there any clouds over there? I didn't see any. See, look at the shape. See it? As I zoom in, you'll get like a little bit of a teardrop.
Yeah.
So I'll film a smaller one and I'll send you that.
Alright.
The other one was 4 minutes long. That was in and out. This one will be, I'll give you a minute and then I'll sit.
Aircraft inbound from the southwest is going to be up in front of you.
Wow.
It's like strong.
Yeah, man, look at this. I'm going to zoom in some more. Hold on.
That's a good steady one. Here's your minute.
All right. There you go. I'm going to set it
To our
to...
left? Not really.
Looks like he's going further away, man. Yeah, I'm zooming in and he's pulling away, dude. And he's turning colors too. He's pulling away. Yeah, that was weird.